Focus, Will. Don't crash. Oh shit.
Don't crash.
Don't crash.
So I got, I'm gonna slam my brakes.
Why? So my phone goes flying, huh?
Wait. Oh god!
Oh, fuck you, fucking whore. Ow. You're retarded. We're both gonna die in the car now because of you. And we're gonna get arrested. And I'm gonna get a ticket just for some random reason.
Well,
Ah! Do you hear my voice? Can you sound like a chicken?
no.
Could you try?
No. Is this right?
This? Don't throw it out the window. No!